Astell and Curl just partnered with another big audio brand called Campfire Audio. They have collaborated to release the AK Solaris X in-ear monitor. This is a flagship level in-ear monitor. It's a hybrid, two balanced armature, custom-made balanced armatures, and one very large dynamic driver. So the thing here is the fact that it is Campfire Audio, that is an American-based company. It's a premium brand. They make very expensive in-ear monitors. Like every in-ear monitor I think Campfire makes is nothing less than $1,000. Some it goes up from there. Campfire Audio is a high-end brand. It's no secret that that is pretty much what they have been doing for many years. So they partnered with another high-end brand, Astell and Curl, to release um, a hybrid designed IEM. It's coming with a two balanced armature custom made in-house balanced armatures, one for the highs, one for the mids, and a 10 mm dynamic driver for the low frequency. So this is nice. It's coming with your accessories that you can expect from a premium release like this. Everything here is premium. Like you know that you can expect something really great in terms of sound, because at least Campfire over the years have proven that they know how to tune their earphones. Whether they deserve the prices they charge is another story for another day. So this model, the AK Solaris X, is designed to be smaller than its predecessor. It's coming with a balanced cable, a pure silver balanced cable. So when you're purchasing this, just know that it's very important. It's coming with a balanced cable that terminates to 2.5 mm, but also comes with an adapter for 3.5 mm. It's supplied with it. The cable connector is Mmcx. I'm not a fan of Mmcx. They claim the material of the cable is beryllium copper. I don't really support the use of Mmcx because over the years they've proven to be very unreliable, and considering the high prices people are going to charge you for this set, which I'm going to call the price right now because it's not cheap, to be honest. You have to really play to pay for this set. So it's going to be priced at 1,500 US dollars. It is not cheap. It is not cheap. So I expected a little bit better in the cable, but it is what it is. So I will leave specs in the description if you want to check that out. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.